Last week, I was in Portland, Oregon with a contingent from the Nebraska Wheat Board. We were hosted by the state's Wheat Marketing Center. And the purpose for our trip was to show producers and people who work in the wheat industry what happens after the wheat leaves the farm. We did that by touring transportation hubs, grain terminals, a local bakery, and the WMC's Wheat Innovation Lab. And at each stop, we got to see how Nebraska wheat is making its mark on the industry and learned a lesson to take back home.
The export facility up on the river was very informative for me, being a grain merchandiser. That's, if we load a shuttle train out of one of our facilities, that's more than likely where it's going to go if it's loaded with wheat. And so I'd probably definitely going to share some information about that.
I think one of the coolest things is in agriculture, you always hear that agriculture feeds all of these other jobs and all of these other industries. And you really got to see that come together and play a part while we were out here in Oregon, because we talked to the barge people, and they mentioned how there's over 1,000 workers that work at a barge terminal, but you never get to see that because all those people are behind the scenes. That's just like in the agriculture industry. You might see 1 or 2 people out on the farm, but you never see the people who are behind that process and everything that happens after that wheat product leaves the farm.
And it's becoming more specialized. We're not in a commodity business anymore, although it seems like it some days from our end. We're in a kind of a tailored, specialized food business.
In some upcoming shows, we're going to dig even deeper into some of the things we learned on this trip, so make sure you stay tuned for that. In the meantime, if you're interested in joining the Nebraska Wheat Board on any future tours, reach out to them. We've got their information on the Market Journal website.